Welcome to Welder Week 34 Part 1. Gas tungsten arc welding electrodes. Electrodes for tungsten inert gas welding. For tungsten inert gas welding, the applied electrode is mainly made of tungsten. Pure tungsten is very heat resistant material with a fusion point of approximately 3380 degrees Celsius. By alloying tungsten with a few percent of a metal oxide, the conductivity of the electrode can be increased, which has the advantage that it can thereby resist a higher current load. The alloyed tungsten electrode therefore have a longer lifetime and better ignition properties than electrodes of pure tungsten. The most frequently used metal oxides used for alloying of tungsten are thorium oxide, zirconium oxide, lanthanum oxide, cerium oxide. Electrode dimensions. Tungsten electrodes are available in different diameters from 0.5 to 8 mm. The most frequently used dimensions for tungsten inert gas welding electrodes are 1.6 to 2.4, 3.2 and 4 mm. The diameter of the electrode is chosen on the basis of the current intensity, which type of electrode that is preferred and whether it is alternating or direct current. Color indications on tungsten electrodes. As the pure tungsten electrodes and the different alloyed ones look the same, it is impossible to tell the difference between them. Therefore, a standard color indication on the electrodes has been agreed. Types of tungsten electrode used. Number 1. Pure tungsten is marked with green color. This electrode is specially used for AC welding in aluminium and aluminium alloys. Number 2. Tungsten with 2% thorium is marked with red color. This electrode is most used for welding of non-alloyed and low-alloyed steels as well as stainless steels. Number 3. Tungsten with 1% lanthanum is marked with black color. This electrode is equally suited for welding of all tungsten inert gas weldable metals. Color code and alloying elements for various tungsten electrode alloys are shown in below table. Grinding angle. An important condition for obtaining a good result of tungsten inert gas welding is that the point of the tungsten electrode must be ground correctly. When welding is done with direct current and negative polarity, the electrode point should be conical in order to obtain a concentrated arc that will provide a narrow and deep penetration profile. In figure number 1, you can see the pointed angle also has an influence of the penetration depth of the weld. Here in figure number 2, you can see a small pointed angle gives a narrow weld pool, and the larger the pointed angle, the wider the weld pool. In figure number 3, you can see blunting the electrode point to make a flat area with a diameter of about 0.5 mm can increase the lifetime of the tungsten electrode. In figure number 4, you can see for AC tungsten inert gas welding, the tungsten electrode is rounded as during the welding process it is so heavily loaded that it is melted into a half globular form. Grinding of the tungsten electrode. When grinding the electrode, its point must point in the direction of the rotation of the grinding disc, so the grinding traces will lie lengthways the electrode. Electrode condition. Tungsten electrode condition associated with tungsten inert gas welding. Comments. A. Well shapen and healthy electrode. Color silver white and used with normal current. Sharpening to a cone without a point allows a rapidly forming and stable arc centered in relation to the electrode. B. The point of the electrode has melted under the action of too great a current. The point is deformed, the arc is erratic and poorly directed before the ball vibrates during welding. C. The electrode can be used without protection of argon shielding gas. The flow has been cut off too soon. The electrode has turned blue, is contaminated with oxygen and disintegrates rapidly. It is necessary to reshape it. D. Electrode point too sharp. Rapid wear occurs since the point carries current densities which are too high. This leads to systematic inclusions of tungsten in the weld, which are highly visible on radiographics. Tungsten selection and preparation you can see in the table given below. Gas tungsten arc welding electrodes. Gas tungsten arc welding electrodes. The electrode is made of tungsten or an alloy of it, and this provides easy arc starting and steady arcing. The figure shows the recommended tip shape for DC EN polarity and AC polarity for tungsten inert gas welding. The common varieties of the tungsten electrode are pure tungsten, 1% or 2% thorium oxide and tungsten. Tungsten with thorium oxide is used welding with DC. An addition of 1% or 2% thorium oxide increases the maximum current carrying capacity by approx. Thoriated tungsten electrodes are, however, preferred for DC as the arc wonders when used on AC. Red and yellow color bands are used widely to indicate 2% and 1% alloyed thoriated tungsten electrodes. Thank you.